Hello, good evening, good afternoon, my dear student. Today we will discuss about that upcoming NDA notification, and we will discuss about that for how many days this NDA written examination application form will be presented, and where you can fill the form, and how you can fill the form, and how you can prepare for the NDA written examination. Okay, so first I can tell you that it is the last date on which you can fill the form for NDA written examination. Means you guys have to fill it by the 18th of January. It means today is on 14th January, and hope so you guys have a 5 day to fill this particular form. Many of you students are thinking that who are eligible to fill the form, who are not eligible to fill the form. So that all thing you can get by downloading its notification on the UPSC site. Okay. So the examination conducting body for this NDA written examination is Union Public Service Commission. So here we will not discuss that what are the age qualification or what are the educational qualification, but I will just pay attention on all of you students that in Cavalier India we are welcoming all those candidates who are from the other backgrounds, like apart from PCM. Means if you have qualified your inter class with the physics, chemistry, math, so this is only not one criteria. I can explain you. Apart from this, many other courses are also eligible for the NDA written examination. Okay, so who today we will discuss upon who, how and when. Okay, so it means who are eligible to fill the form for the NDA written exam. Number one, so those candidates who are studying in 12th class, one. Second, those who have passed in their 12th class, 2 audience. Third, those who are just in between of the age 16.5 to the 19.5 years. So these are the audience. And one more thing, necessity means necessary qualification to beat this examination. So qualification, so we will discuss about the qualification. So qualification for this examination will be only the 12th appearing, or you are studying with a PCM background or PCB or commerce background or humanities. So all those candidates can fill this form, but because this paper have a 2 segment of paper, one is a paper 1 that is called mathematics, which contains your 11th and 12th math syllabus. Second paper is that GAT, general ability test. So you guys have to pay attention. Means if the student is from the humanity background, so he should qualify the maths paper with the minimum lowest qualifying score 1. Okay. Second thing, how. So how can we fill this form? So you guys can go through the UPSC portal, that Union Public Service Commission portal, and there they have made an icon like a apply online. So you will just click the online application form for the NDA written examination. You have to prepare in a proper manner of your photograph with signature, and these all module you have to keep in a soft manner. Okay, so it means student just click the picture, make it as per appropriate size or pixels what they are asking on a website, then after that upload it. Okay, so after filling this form, you guys have to wait for upcoming like a January 15 days, then February 28 days, then after this March 31 days, then April, that is 9th or 8th of April, means first Sunday of April your examination date. Okay, so it means all those candidates who are serious for this written examination, they have well enough timing, like a 30-30-60 and 60-75, means approximate 2.5 to 3 months completely you guys have to prepare about this examination. And I am also telling you those candidates who are preparing for their board examination, as per your board examination has been postponed for the 4th of May. So henceforth you guys just can prepare this examination on April, then after that you can focus upon your board examination. Okay, so the second question is that how can we fill the form? So you can fill it by the UPSC. Second, Then third, we will go upon the third procedure, that when. So when I am discussing the examination, have only 3 months to prepare, then how can we prepare and what is the procedure to prepare about this course? Okay, so 1, it contains paper 1, that is called maths, and it have a 6 segment and it have a 120 question, and each question carry 2.5 marks, will comes equals to 300 marks. That is paper 1. Okay, then paper 2 is of GS plus English. So the combo paper is called a GAT, that is called General Ability Test. So you guys will get a English 50 question and 100 question of that GS. So GS have these topic as a physics, chemistry, bio, history, geography, polity, economics, current affair, environment, and then after that, so these are the necessary topic which they will give you in 100 marks question paper. Okay, so this question paper have a approximate 150 question, each question carry 4 marks here, so it means the second paper is of 600 marks. So what you guys have to do, 6 3 900 means, dear student, here total written paper is of 900 marks. And what I will suggest, that when you guys will give the paper on upcoming 9th of April, after finishing this NDA written exam, you can just go for your board exam or other preparation. Then after that, within a 20 or 30 days after this paper, you guys will get your written marks on UPSC portal, so that they will launch your answer key, one thing, and second thing is what, their result will be launched within a 45 days of span of time of this examination. One. Second thing, when question papers answer will reveals, what you guys can do, you can match it, and then after that you can prepare for the next segment, that is called a SSB interview. So be prepared about written paper. So this is called a written paper syllabus. Then after this SSB interview. So SSB interview will precise for the 5-day interview process. In this segment they will take a GTO, that is called a physical. Then after that psychological portion, 1, 2 and third, that is called a personal interview. So this whole thing, the interview contains into 2 process. One is called screening, and second process is called these approximate 8 tests and plus remaining test from the GTO, they will come precise, and after that this whole procedure of NDA exam means first procedure written, second procedure for the SSB interview, and third and last you have to go through the medical examination, means after verifying all your body parts for this compulsory defense related paper, then you will be wait for this All India Merit List. When the All India Merit List will reveals, then you will finally qualify for this NDA written exam. Okay, one. Second, those students who are preparing for the Air Force exam also. So many of you are thinking, first I will tell you that when the notification will come and when the form filling date will come. Okay, so it will start in February, and by the end of 22nd Feb it will be filled. Means what? Air Force X and Y group form. So what you guys have to do, some of you have a confusion that examination for the NDA written and examination for this Air Force both are coincide on the same dates. So the basic funda behind it, when you are filling the form, so at that time they will ask you about the, have you ever appeared in that NDA examination, are you going to fill this NDA form, this kind of option they will include, one. Or second, other than this, they can do what? If you will say them that your NDA paper is on this date, they will postpone your date for further upcoming, because this paper Air Force is on 8, 9, 10, means it is scheduled for the next upcoming 3 days. Okay, one. So what you have to go for this, do for this Air Force paper? This contains paper that physics, that 25 question, maths 25 question, and English 20 question. So it means 70 question paper for the X group, that is X group paper. So this is called technical wing. Second, that is a Y group paper. So by qualifying that 20 question for English and 30 question from the Raga, that is reasoning awareness and journal awareness. So this whole segment is called Y group paper. So one is called technical. Many of students have a doubt that technical and non-technical. So you have to prepare about this paper. So you can, so dear student, that Air Force candidate, you have that same amount of time what the NDA candidate have. So means that if you will prepare for the NDA, you can beat this examination. This is a myth, it's not true. Means those candidates who are preparing for the Air Force, they have to focus upon this mathematics and physics portion. So you guys can connect us on that our institute, that Cavalier India Lucknow branch, and we are just running the fresh batch for this Air Force also and fresh batch for this NDA written examination. Okay, and here what we are doing, we are just making focus on the written each paper like a math, English, GS, and we are just conducting the mock test paper after the assessment of each class, and then after that, before coming up this your written examination paper date, before 1 month of the examination, we will just start a crash course which will takes everyday basis 6 or 7 hours, so that you guys will completely prepare about this NDA examination and Air Force examination. So be serious. We are going to launch our fresh batch on one, that is called upcoming Monday, means today is 14. So you can join us on a 16th of January, and we will take this admission by the 7 day plus, means our fresh batch is starting on the 16th of January for this written examination, one thing. And if you are planning to join it on a February or by the end of January, so the next batch date will be the 21st of January. Okay, so guys, do not worry, we are with you, and all the best for your better future. You can join us so that we will just qualify and we will boost our nation by our useful effort. Okay, so all the best, good luck. I am Rohit Srivastava and welcoming all of you to our coaching institute, that is a Cavalier India Lucknow, and we are also at various places like Sikandrabad or that Bangalore is our head branch. So many places you can opt for the written examination coaching, and then after that, those students who are preparing for the previous NDA SSB interview or that graduation that CDS candidate who are preparing for their SSB interview, they can also come at our campus. We are here properly sanitized campus, and we are also taken all the safety measures related with the COVID-19 virus, so that do not worry. So if we will hesitate about this preparation, so we will not consider that how we will feel, how we will qualify our upcoming paper. So all the best guys, good luck.